Okay, welcome back guys, my first video of the new year. Okay, I've been slacking, but sitting back. It's been humid around here, like today's the first reasonable day this year. The rest of the days has just been a sweat bath. You know, it's 32 in the shade and the humidity around 95% because of a cyclone that was up north. That's gone, so the humidity's dropped down. But what we're here at a job for a friend of ours. He used to work for me long ago, old Andrew. Now has a business doing roller doors, installing new doors, garage doors. Okay, what we got is 2 posts on an awning, and we've got another post over here. It was up there, it's now going to be down there to hold all that, which was an awning that went across to the roof, to the house, and we're going to lift it up a bit. It's too short, can't get the work cars in, so we're going to put the new post in. And we thought we'd show you that. Now these ones of course were done very badly. They were originally done with a little piece of 50mm, and then they put a sleeve, a 75mm sleeve over the top. These are only about a foot in the ground, so we're going to dig those out. We're big enough to hold the roof properly anyway. They would have held it up. There's no way they would have held it down. So we'll get started on those, and we'll get those in. We're going to replace them with some nice 5mm steel posts that we had on the job over at West End. As I said, we'd use them again. So they're nice and tall, nearly 4 metres, and they're going to go 2 feet into the ground here in holes that are 700 deep. So we're going to get into those, okay, and see if we can get that one out, Frank. Give that a bit of a dig. We're not going to make these very wide after all. They're only holding a carport, only a little roof. They're not holding a house, they're not holding anything fantastic. So we don't need to go super big like 450 round or anything, because they're just not, they don't require that much weight. Look at that. 6 inches in the ground if you like. There we are, and it's out. Yep, 6 inches in the ground. Now that was holding a roof down. In a storm, there's no way that would have held it. Not the size of the roof that was there. But she survived a while, so luckily because of the position of the house where it is, down in the gully, because no southwesters or anything ever get to it, so it's very rare that it'd get a storm that would actually lift the roof, so it's the only reason it still survived. Okay, well that's where we've got to dig that one. We have a go at this one here in a minute, and we'll get that done. Alright guys, thanks for coming in and watching. We will get that done and I'll show you some more in a little while. Thanks guys, see you soon. Bye. Oh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated, just so we can keep the channel going. And the like button. Either one or the or both, that'd be great. See yous. Bye.